Okay, so we're gonna try just for a few minutes. This is basically another kind of YouTube test to make sure my volumes are right, because I've been having difficulty getting the levels correct. So yeah, this is a very short video. I'm actually gonna go hide again and then log out and then upload this short video. I just wanted to get like a minute or so. Um, I was looking for AI enemies. So like there's the zombies, which are really the NPCs that really don't have a lot of intelligence other than if you get too close to them, they're going to hear you and they'll alert other zombies. And so you got to be careful around the zombies because it's difficult to fight more than really one zombie at a time, like hand to hand, like by just trying to punch them. Um, so my new strategy is to do it from a distance, um, and then that way I don't get hurt. Like so, if you look down in the lower right hand portion of the screen, um, starting with the bottle shape, that's my water. And then the apple signifies how hungry I am. And the little arrows below that show that my hydration is decreasing and my nourishment is also decreasing slightly. The thermometer one is my body temperature. So like if it gets really cold out, that turns blue. Or if it gets if I get hot, it gets red or orange. And then the droplet looking one is basically how the quality of my blood, I guess. Like, so if I get hurt and I start bleeding, that eventually, if I don't stop the bleeding, if I don't bandage myself, that teardrop shape will become red and start flashing, and I'll be in trouble. I'll start losing health, and so I have to make sure that if I get hurt and I'm bleeding, I have to fix that bleed. Otherwise, my blood will, I'll bleed, I'll bleed out. And then the plus sign is my health. So as my health decreases, the white area decreases. You can see, like for example, the apple, how it's partially filled. Well, if my health is low, the plus sign, the health sign, will look like that too. Anyway, I just wanted to make it's lunchtime. I can't really spend a lot of time like on a mission. Um, So I just kind of wanted to do a test video and upload it to YouTube and see what my volume levels are like. And for Richard, my son, when he watches this, I love you, and I look so forward to seeing you again in a couple of weeks. Okay, all right, you guys have a good day. Okay, bye.